Hi, welcome back to San Diego Youth Science. So we have a new challenge for you today. Have you ever wondered how something works? Well, we have, and we've been busy finding different things that we could take apart to figure out how they work. So right here we have a slow cooker. We're going to take it apart and see if we can figure that out. So we took all of this apart, and what we noticed, here I'll take it out in a second here, is when the bowl has food in it, it pushes this down. And once that goes down, that completes the circuit for electricity to flow through the cord from your wall socket into the system to heat this heat plate. And of course the button here, oops, I'll bring it out, will make the apparatus either cook hotter or not quite as hot to just keep it warm. But when this button is depressed down, the circuit is completed because these two connectors here begin to touch. I jumbled it up a bit when I was taking it apart, and so it's a little bit hard to show how it separates, but that's the way it works. So we challenge you guys to take apart something that you find that your parents say it's okay to explore. So when you do it, let us know at san diegoyouthscience.org or our Facebook or YouTube channel. Thanks so much.